Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you 8-liter shoulder type electric sprayers. Let us check the features. It has 8-liter capacity, 3 spray intensities, long-lasting battery, adjustable telescopic rod, 5 spray nozzles, and waterproof handle. This is green color, and you can use this for family and office gardening, disinfectant spray, and window glass cleaning, etc. Let's go ahead and open it and see what we have. Let's see. Let's take them all out one by one. This is green color. There you go, the hose. Waterproof sprayer handle. Product user manual. This is very sturdy, by the way. Let's connect this first. Next, we're just gonna go ahead and put this over there, and then screw it. That's it. Then we're gonna connect this. After you put the solvent or water, that means you're gonna be ready. And here is the area. It's gonna get some air and it's not gonna stuck. Now everything is ready. Let me go ahead and put some water inside. Here is the strap. You're gonna put it on the right and left side. You can carry it easily while you're spraying. Here we have some nozzles. We're gonna test all of them. And here is the charging cable, USB-A to USB-C. Let me go ahead and put some water inside and spray. Let's open the water. It has 8-liter capacity. I think that's enough. Now we can close it. Okay, if you're not using it, you can place it right there. Alrighty, let's test it out. The strap is adjustable. We can go ahead and adjust it since this is too short. Like that. Go ahead and put it right over here. Oh, right over here. It's up to you. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Here is the area. You can see the battery level. I need to put the nozzles first and then continue. Alrighty, let's start with the blue one. This is also extendable. Let's turn it on. And we can change the speed. And this is the top speed. Let me continue with this. Here is the mechanism. We're just gonna put it there. Then go ahead and close it. Alrighty, now we can go ahead and turn it on. There's a level 2 and level 3. And you can adjust the level from here too. Wow, this is perfect. That's it. We can continue with the other nozzles. There you go. This has 2 heads. For level 1, level 2, and level 3. Like that. Let's take this out. Go to next one. This is the shower heads. There you go. Oh, Look at that, this is very nice. And you can go to sprayer or regular shower heads. It's level 2, level 3. Okay. Here is the last one. Let's turn it on. This is working horizontally. This is level 1, level 2, and level 3. Perfect. We still have 75% left. I think guys, I can definitely suggest this product is because you're able to put it on your shoulder and it's gonna be easy and you can hold it from here. As you can see, this is waterproof and we have 5 nozzles. That's why I can definitely suggest this product. Here is the charging place. This is USB-C right here. After you are done with everything, you can go ahead and place it right there and you're good to go.